How to fix Wi-Fi keeps turning off in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel. Click on power off button icon. Click on restart. Again, click on restart. Restart your device. Now go back. After that, check internet device. After checking internet device, turn off power saving. Open setting, scroll down, click on battery. Now here you will see power saving. And if you want to turn off power saving, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, power saving will be turned off from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset network settings. Open settings, scroll down, click on general management, scroll down, click on reset, scroll down, click on reset mobile network settings, click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, mobile network settings will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open setting, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Now here you will see update option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix Wi-Fi keeps turning off in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.